What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new series here on the channel. This is the Money Grand National Division here. Basically, this is Busch, Xfinity, Nationwide, whatever you know it as. This is that. This is the Grand National Division, the Grand National Series, whatever you may call it. I'm calling it the Grand National Series. But yeah, we're here getting ready to release the schedule for this. This is a really last minute thing. Never told anybody about this until literally this weekend. So yeah, now getting ready to get this thing started. Nice little surprise for y'all. Yeah, I've got the season ready to go, got the schedule ready, and I'm about to show y'all right now. So we start off at Daytona, obviously, then we head over to the Milwaukee Mile. We leave Milwaukee, we head over to Auto Club Speedway, and I just realized my volume isn't up as high as it should be. Okay, there we go. We go to Auto Club, and that's a double header, as MG Cup will be there as well. Then we leave Auto Club, we head to Mexico City, and then we go back to the West Coast and head to Las Vegas Motor Speedway. That'll also be a double header with the MG Cup Series as well as Daytona, obviously. Then we'll go to Kentucky with the MG Cup Series, and then heading over to Dover for a quick race there. We leave Dover, we go to Texas Motor Speedway, and then we head to Atlanta Motor Speedway. So heading off, or kicking off the season with a lot of double headers here. And weekends being shared with the MG Cup Series, so that's pretty nice. Then we leave Atlanta, go to Talladega Super Speedway. Then we go to the Nashville Fairgrounds. So once we leave the fairgrounds, we head to Lowe's Motor Speedway in Charlotte, North Carolina for the Coca-Cola 600, or a double header weekend with the Coca-Cola 600. This will be the longest race on the schedule in the Grand National Division. Then we leave Charlotte and head to Michigan. Once we leave Michigan, we head over to Portland International Raceway, and then we head to Road America, which is actually a track that is unique to this schedule. Then we head from Road America, we go to Daytona International Speedway, and then we head over to South Boston right after that. Once we leave South Boston, we head to Texas Motor Speedway, and then back to Dover for another race at the Monster Mile. Then we leave Dover, head to Montreal, another track that is exclusive to just this series. So Mexico City, Montreal, and Road America. Two foreign racetracks, one in Mexico, one in Canada. So this is pretty cool. Then we have a double header with Watkins Glen. Two races there, one in the Grand National Series, one in MG Cup. Then we leave and head to Texas World with the MG Cup Series as well. Then we leave there, go to Kansas Speedway. Once we leave Kansas, we head to Darlington, and that is a doubleheader weekend. We'll be sharing the weekend with the MG Cup Series once again, as they have the Southern 500. We leave Darlington and go to Bristol. North Wilkesboro is, Pikes Peak is on the schedule. And that's another track that'll be unique to this schedule and may be added to other lower division schedules if this race goes well. We leave Pikes Peak and go back to Las Vegas. Then we go back to Talladega. Richmond makes its way onto the schedule. And then we head to Trenton. Now Trenton's a track that nobody has really thought of, so it'll be interesting to see how this race goes. We leave Trenton and go to Martinsville, then to Phoenix, and once we leave Phoenix, we head back over to the east coast of the United States, and we head to Rockingham, aka The Rock. Then we leave Rockingham and go to Homestead Miami Speedway, and that'll end off the season. So man, very excited here. Can't wait to get things underway, and yeah, we'll see y'all at Daytona. Peace.